What is financial literacy? According to Wikipedia, financial literacy is the possession of the set of skills that allow an individual to make informed and effective decisions with their financial resources. Hi everyone, it's Ben Malapile here, and today I'll be discussing financial literacy. So, why is financial literacy so important, and why haven't I heard about it before? Well, financial literacy is the difference between rich people and middle class and poor people. And why you haven't heard about it is because they don't really teach financial literacy at schools or any institutions. And even with accountants can go to school for 7 years and become chartered accountants, and they actually don't really learn much about personal finance and financial literacy. However, they do learn about company finances and managing other people's finances except their own. So with financial literacy, it's all about personal finance. And why do I say it's the difference between the wealthy and everyone else? It's because poor people actually live hand to mouth. With poor people, they earn and then they go and spend their money on expenses to stay alive. Then on the other hand, you've got middle class people who, when they earn money, they earn money, pay tax, and then they can start spending. And then once they start spending, they spend their money on liabilities, thinking that they're assets, and then spend their money on debt and monthly living expenses. On the other hand, because rich people or wealthy people are financially literate, what they do is that every single cent that they earn, they spend towards income generating assets. They spend towards assets that give them cash flow. They spend towards assets that bring money into their pocket each and every month. And then after the assets make money, then they take that money and they can spend it on they can buy luxuries, they can buy their nice sports cars, they can buy their nice mansions, they can go on holidays, they can actually even be financially free. Being financially free is basically when your passive income, the money that you're making from your assets or without actually having to actively work towards it, is equal to your monthly living expenses. This way you actually don't have to wake up every day and actually go to work or have a job or anything like that. So that's actually the difference between those who are financially literate and those who aren't financially literate. So if you want to be financially literate and also have an opportunity to be financially free, where you get to a point where you actually don't have to go to work each and every single day for you to stay alive and live the life of your dreams, then I recommend that you read a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. That's where I learned about financial literacy, and you can learn about that too. You probably heard about the book before, but you don't really know what it's about. But I highly recommend that you go check that book out, because that book changed my life. I mean, I don't really like reading, but I do like knowledge. So I finished that book in less than 2 days, and after that, it changed my life. I actively work towards financial freedom, which I do each and every day, simply because of the personal finance skills and the financial literacy skills that Robert Kiyosaki teaches in that book. So if you found any value in this, or if you learned anything new, please hit the like button, share it with anyone who you think should see this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the post notifications bell on to know when I post more content like this. And remember, secure the bag all day, every day, and twice on Sunday.